So today I am going to show you how to make a PowerPoint online. So there's this nifty site called Google Slides. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in Google, and I'm going to go ahead and select that very first result. That'll take me right to my account since I already have my Gmail logged in. But to begin a brand new presentation, you go down to the bottom right and click on Create New. It's a little plus sign. Once it pops up, I will click here in the middle and add my title. So if we're doing the life cycle of sea turtles, go ahead and put that here and add my name. Then, as you can see, you can add the title of the presentation here at the top left. By right-clicking on the side, you can add new slides. And then here on the right, you can change the style. So maybe I want a green and white presentation because sea turtles live in the ocean.